Yes, Congressman
I think
Fernandez.
Tony Yang understand what we are talking about. You laugh.
Now we don't understand.
你能听得懂
Okay,
我们刚才
Mr. Chairman, before we proceed, may I ask Attorney Casio, I hope you, with the indulgence of our members, no? Dr. Casio, your group apprehended Tony Yang, am I right?
This was a joint operation with the
Yes,
Bureau of
I know.
Immigration, Your Honor.
But during the apprehension, you were talking with Tony Yang, am I correct?
Not necessarily. The Bureau of Immigration agents read him his rights, Your Honor.
So, nagkakausap sila? Narinig niya nag-uusap sila?
Yes, sir, I was there.
So, nakakapagsalita siya ng Tagalog? Naiintindihan niya Tagalog?
Tumatango po siya, yes, yes.
So, we don't need to interpret anymore. Kung naiintindihan ni Tony yan. Ikaw, intindi aming salita? Oo. Naiintindihan mo kasi sumasagot ka eh. Di ba yung kanina when we were talking, I noticed lang Tony Yang. Tony Yang, makinig ka. Makinig ka. Kasi kanina lang, may joke si si chairman eh. And you laugh.
刚才我们的主席
alam mo, Tony, artista ako eh. I know who's acting or not eh. Ha? Tony, makinig ka sa akin.
Oo.
Naiintindihan kita. Naiintindihan mo ako, di ba?
Kunti.
Konti. Okay.
Oo.
So, yung mga salita namin, naiintindihan mo, tumatawa ka, smile ka, sumisimangot ka. Di ba? Kita namin eh. Di ba? And we will be reminding you. Remind namin ikaw. Pag ikaw, hindi sabi totoo dito, ikaw, contempt, kulong dito. Ha? Yan. Tingnan mo.
Okay,
Naiintindihan niya
okay.
eh. Naiintindihan mo. Huwag mo na kaming pahirapan para mabubilis yung communication. Mr. Tony Yang, we're not here to pin you down. You just tell the truth. When we heard you talking in the Senate, I heard you. Naiintindihan mo eh. Sinasabi mo lahat eh. Sinasabi mo lahat. Open ka. So there's no more denying of trying to translate anything anymore. Huwag ka na mag-translator. Intindi mo lang, umuho ka lang hindi. Ask your lawyer. Okay? Intindi?
他说什么？
哎那好
这个我听不清楚。
OK，他们说你只要说出真相，然后你不用你。